Everybody, Dan Holstein here, coming to you with another Rev Up Your Business video. And this week I'm in Rome, and as you can see, more specifically at the, hey Adam, I'm at the Colosseum. And I've been touring around other areas of Rome as well. We're in Venice, we're in Florence, and each place we went, we saw the most amazing structures, much like the Colosseum here. Some of the places that we saw took hundreds and hundreds of years to build. And what struck me was that the patience and planning and effort that would have to go into something like that. So it got me thinking a little bit about business and accomplishment and how long things can take. And sometimes I wonder if we don't give ourselves enough time to accomplish what we say that we want to accomplish. And the other part is how do we make it go the long haul? So having a big enough reason to stick in when things get challenging or you run out of resources and things like that. So I think the other part of this too is that we have got to be patient with ourselves and be really realistic in terms of, is it actually possible to achieve what we want to achieve within the time frame we've allowed ourselves, or are we being a little bit impatient, maybe making it hard on ourselves, putting additional pressure on, as opposed to feeling in flow and working through things and executing on our succinct plan of action that we have, or we end up rushing and cutting corners, or maybe forgetting things, or just feeling a little bit stressed out about it. You know, achieving our goals shouldn't be a frantic rush. We can have some urgency, but we don't want to be rushing so that it drains our energy down. We want to feel empowered and energized as we go through our week and our months accomplishing what we want to accomplish. You know, this building behind me, the Colosseum, took 10 years to build, which sounds pretty incredible, and the thing is huge. But also, there's buildings I've seen this week that took 200 years to build, and then hundreds of years to maintain and add things on, and there's been fires, and they've had to go the distance and rebuild, and you know, just incredible amounts of work they've had to do just to maintain what they've created. So that's the other part of it too. Once you've created something, we got to recognize that we have got to put some time and effort into maintaining that which we've created. So for this week, for you guys, I'd like you to think about, are you giving yourselves enough time to accomplish what you want to accomplish? And if you've got a big goal like this thing, you know, have you got a big enough why to stick it through the long haul and do what you need to do in order to accomplish it? I hope that you do. I'd love to hear what your big goals are. I'd love to hear your big why behind it. And that's it for this week. I'm going to keep touring around, might even check in with another video with some other neat spots to show you. And until next time, all the best.